You're welcome once again to Johrut Academy, and yeah, in lesson 4. One thing you must note here is that a team in Microsoft Word, when we talk of team, we're talking about a predefined combination of colors, font, and effects that can be applied to your presentation. So in PowerPoint, PowerPoint includes inbuilt templates or inbuilt themes that allow you to easily create a professional looking presentation without spending much time with the editing, the formatting, and others. So today in this lesson, we are going to learn more about the themes in Microsoft PowerPoint. The themes in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, under the themes in Microsoft PowerPoint, let me first of all show you some of the themes. Let's go to File and let's try to create a new document. So if you see here, you see that this is a template. These are templates, and each template at its own theme are in the form of like a theme. And the themes, they have their elements. So let's try to select this one and use it to explain the elements, the theme element. Okay, then let's select one of this here, then create it. Okay, now we have this. With this, we are having two placeholders. Okay, so every PowerPoint theme, including the default Office theme, what the default one is what that the blank one, or what is in the PowerPoint. You can install your own, you can create your own theme, but the default one is what we have seen. One of them is what we are seeing now. They all include theme elements. So what are the theme elements? The first theme element is what you term as the theme color. That's the colors, the color that you can apply to your text. So you can see that one under the home tab and in the font group. So this is the theme color. So if you click on the small arrow just beside the letter A, you can see that the colors are here. You can select any color which can be applied to your text. So this is the theme color. So the other theme element is the theme fonts. That is, it's also found under the font group. So this is the theme font. So you click on the small arrow here, you can see many fonts that you can select from when you want to make your text unique. So that's the theme fonts. Then you have the shape style. It's also a theme element. So the shape file is normally seen under the format tab. So when you click on the format tab, the shape style will be here. So here, these are the shape style. So if you want to see all the shape styles, you click on this small arrow here. Then the list of the styles here will load for you to select from. So these are the three basic theme elements. You have the fonts, you have the color, and you have the style. So let me ask, why do we use theme elements? If you're using theme elements, you probably found that your presentation looks pretty good. All the colors will work well, which means you don't have to spend as much time formatting your presentation. But there's another great reason to use theme elements. When you switch to a different theme, all these elements will update to reflect the new theme. You see, when you change this theme, let's say this is the theme that you have selected already, and you want to change it. If you change it, you see that the colors, the formatting that you've done will also transfer to the new theme. Okay, so you can drastically change the look of your presentation in just a simple click. Okay, so let me demonstrate that for you. Let's go to File let's open an already presentation. Let's say let's use this one. Okay, so this is the team. It's a team. It's a team that we want to you have. Now we want to change it. We want to change the team. Okay, so you can select from any of these teams. See, when you go to design, and the design, you have the teams here. You can select any of them. So the moment you click on any of the teams, so that it will have effect on all your presentations. So there's no need for you to go back and select the slide one after the other and be editing them just like that. No. So if you click on it, the effect will be applied. You click on it, the effect will be applied to all the slides at a go. So that's how the teams work. So that's the reason why we use teams in Microsoft PowerPoint. You select a team to apply to all your slides in the presentation. Now remember, the colors and font will only update if you are using Teams font or team colors. You see, if the color that you are using there will be affected if you are using that colors. Okay, so let's put that on one side. Okay, then let's go to what the team slide layout. That's what we are viewing now, the team slide layout. As you can see from the two different title slides, that is here's the title slide. You can see from this slide. See, for the title slide, you see that when you select any of the teams here, it will affect the slides, begin from the title, from the first one to the last slide. So that is how the teams also work. Now let's learn how to apply the team. You need to know how to apply a team and how to switch to a different team if you want to use these features to create presentation. All the teams that are included in the PowerPoint are located in the Teams group. And these Teams group are found under the Design tab. That's what you are seeing now. The teams are found under the Design tab. So you have created your presentation, but you want to edit the colors, you want to edit the stars, the font, you want to edit it at a go. With that, let's say you have about 2,000 slides, but you want to change the theme. Without setting the slides one after the other, you can use the slides, the theme to change the format or to change the styles of what your PowerPoint presentation. So when you click on the Design tab, the themes will appear. So if you want to see all the themes, you can just click on the small arrow down here where the cursor is. You just click on it. The list of themes that you can apply from will be there. So you just click on it, then you're good to go. Good. So that is what the team. So I'll end here, and I believe you have learned something today. Let's meet in our next video, but don't forget to subscribe, share our videos. People need it. God bless you.